Well, hello everybody out there. Today we're going to be taking a look at an Ariens Snowblower. We got an oil leak in the gearbox in the auger shaft. We're going to open her up. We're going to show you how to take it apart. We're going to seal up that oil leak. Let's get started. We're going to be working on the Ariens 5520 model. It's a smaller snowblower. We're going to take a look down here. Can hardly see it. There we go, we turned the flash on. Got some light in here. This is the gearbox we're talking about here. We got gear oil running in here all winter. Over the summer, it ran out. Sitting in the shed at the high temperatures. I guess the seal failed. We're gonna take that apart and we're gonna be putting some seal gasket on there. We'll show you what gasket we're using. This is the product we're going to be using. Gasket maker. We put that on there and put her back together. Should be all good. To start off, we're going to split the motor and the auger portion. We're going to split it right here. Release the motor, and then we're going to start taking these bolts out here, which will release the shaft inside. Let's get at it and see what we can do. Speed things up a little bit, 9/16 socket. Take it separated, that's what we're going to use. We'll have to also take this cover off too so we can undo the belt. Here we go, we got the 3/8 socket. Going to take the belt cover off next. Taking these ones out of here too. 3/8 socket again. Okay, now we're going to have to take this pulley off. 1/2 inch socket. We're going to take the pulley off next. Off nice and easy. Slide out here nicely. Put this off to the side. Now we'll open this up. Take it apart. This comes off. Get this out of the way. Have to pull this pin. Pull this pin, it's a little easier to work with. We'll take this off. And then we'll open that up. There we go. We'll open this up. First we'll drain the oil so we don't make a mess everywhere. Not much left in there. Leaked all out over the summer. Well, we got our seals in. 2 green ones. We gotta put one in here and one here. We're gonna use a screwdriver and pry them up, get the old ones out, and tap the new ones in. Let's get at her. That was easy. Let's get the next one. There we go. We'll clean that up. Take the grease gun, we'll get a little bit of grease. Put it around the gasket before we put it in. Help it go into place nicely. Our next seal is in the shaft, right there. Slides up and down this shaft right here. Here's the new one. To get this off, we're gonna take this pin out of here, tap the pin out, remove the shaft. And there you have it. Let's give it a try. Well, let's see how well these pins come out. Two. There we go. Comes right off. Here's our seal right here. We're going to take this one off. Put the new one on. There we go. Take this guy off. A little grease on this. Slide this on. There you go. Put this back on. there you go. Let's start putting it all together. Here we go. We're going to put the gasket maker all the way on both sides. Put it all together with my 3 hands. Tighten the nuts, bolts by hand. Let it sit for an hour. And then come back and tighten them all up nicely. So let's get to it. There we go, it's working. We'll let it sit for an hour. We'll come back, tighten her up completely, and start putting it all back together. Well, here we go. An hour later, we're going to tighten these up nice and snug. Well, there you have it. Let's get it all back together. Get a little grease on the shaft. Now we put the drive pulley on. There we go. Let's put her back on. we go. All we have to do is put the belt guard back on. The bolt's back on, there you have it. Don't fill it up with oil just yet, use gear oil. There you have it, hopefully it helped out. Back at her, snow should be coming real soon. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.